positive affirmations serve as powerful, concise statements that can profoundly influence our mindset. By challenging and dispelling self-sabotaging and negative thoughts, they promote a more constructive inner dialogue. Through repetition, these affirmations work to rewire our subconscious and cultivate a positive belief system. This process helps in fortifying mental resilience and nurturing a mindset geared towards growth and self-improvement. As we integrate positive affirmations into our daily routine, we begin to witness a transformation in our thoughts, actions, and overall outlook on life. When selecting affirmations, it's crucial to pinpoint areas in our lives that necessitate positive change. By choosing affirmations that align with these specific areas, we can tailor our self-talk to address our individual growth requirements. It's essential to ensure that these affirmations are framed in the present tense and carry a positive outlook. This formulation allows them to integrate seamlessly into our subconscious, fostering a proactive and optimistic mindset. Through this intentional selection process, we can lay the foundation for a transformational shift in our thought patterns and overall approach to life. Incorporating affirmations into our daily routine involves consistent practice and strategic implementation. By repeating affirmations daily, particularly in the morning or before bed, we reinforce their influence on our subconscious mind, setting a positive tone for the day or promoting constructive reflection before sleep. Various methods, such as writing them down, verbalizing them, or utilizing visual aids, offer flexibility in integrating affirmations into our routine. This diverse approach caters to individual preferences and strengthens the impact of the affirmations. Consistency in this practice is paramount, as it perpetuates the reinforcement of positive messaging, ultimately yielding tangible results in our mindset and outlook. When integrating affirmations into our mindset, it's crucial to acknowledge and address any resistance that may emerge. By recognizing and dealing with this resistance, we can actively work towards overcoming deeply ingrained negative thought patterns. Persistence is a fundamental element in this process, as meaningful change takes time to manifest. Allowing ourselves the necessary time to observe the effects of affirmations is vital. With consistent practice, these affirmations will gradually embed themselves into our thinking, shaping a more positive and empowered mindset over time. As we integrate affirmations into our daily routine, it's essential to observe any shifts in our thoughts and behaviors. By actively monitoring our progress, we can gauge the impact of the affirmations on our mindset and overall outlook. Furthermore, the process of adaptation plays a pivotal role. Adapting affirmations to align with our evolving goals and mindset ensures their continued relevance and effectiveness. This flexibility enables us to refine our self-talk in response to personal growth, thus perpetuating a positive trajectory in our journey of self-improvement.